Hi everyone, I just want to show you what the students are going to see when they do Turnitin tasks. So the first thing I'm going to show you is what a student's already submitted dashboard looks like. So I've already submitted this test task, so I'm going to click into it and we can see that I have it. It's untitled. I don't have a grade for it yet. Um, I cannot upload another one because the date is passed for the due date, so I cannot upload another one. I can download my paper, and if I download my paper, it's going to come up in the same text that I turned it in. So since I did this from my phone, it's showing up in the notepad. If I did this as an uploaded Word document, which you'll see in another video, it comes up as a Word document. So I can see how I uploaded it, and then I can get that digital receipt that Sherry showed us from the last training. And this is actually really nice for the students because when it does download, you'll see that it actually shows like a screenshot of their paper. So here's that I turned it in. I didn't title it, right? How I did it was a copy paste text. So I used my notepad and pasted it right into Turnitin. It gives me the word count. It gives me the character count. It tells me when I did it. I have an ID number and I have proof that I did it. So for some of our students, that's going to be something that they really like. Um, so there's that. Then from my perspective too, if I hit peer marks, I'm going to see the edits that were done. So I can view the details of the assignment, and then the grade, and then my received feedback. So with the received feedback, you can see the questions that Sherry asked, the effectiveness, and all of those things, the highlighting done. If I click on the bubble, if there was actually a comment there, the words would populate in this bubble. The other thing that can happen is I can go to comments and just click on it and it will show me there's no comment. So that's what the students see on their dashboard. So the summary just summarizes this. This is really cool because it shows the students that Ms. Mack did not allow late submissions. So I could have resubmitted as many times as I wanted before the due date, but I could not have submitted it late, which is why when I go to the assignment dashboard, I am not allowed to upload it right now.